Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be reviewing another wig, okay? And today's wig is by the company Lulu Love, okay? And it is a bob wig, and it came in packaged like this. Okay, I can't show you the other side because that one has part of the label on it as well, which has my information on it. So nonetheless, we just have to go with what I can show you. So in the box and then in the bag. Okay, and the difference with this particular wig is it is a ready to wear. I'm very excited to try this one out. My daughters are like, I won't believe it till I see it, because it is actually a bang wig, okay? And they're like, you don't like anything in your face. So they really want to see this. But let me just give you some information inside the bag. And while I'm taking it out, I just want to read some statistics and some information to you, all right? This is a 2x1 high definition lace, okay? It is glueless, 180 density. Now, the funny thing is, it says it's short, and my understanding is short is anything under 18. Okay. I'm just like, okay, but that's what it is. And this one is 12 inches, and it is a light yaki straight 100% Brazilian human hair. Okay, now that I've given you that information, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is it right here. It's beautiful. This is really beautiful. And I like the fact that it didn't come out of the packaging smelling badly. Okay. Everything is done already. It does have strap in the back, so we don't have to worry about it. Don't have to worry about cutting any lace, because as I said, it is a bang wig and it is ready to wear. So we are definitely going to try this on today. All right, now the thing is, I got this wig on a 56% off Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. So we ended up paying $42 for this wig. That is not bad at all. Okay, now I do have a wig brush. I just want to see, how it is here. I definitely do like this one. I'm just not, well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll definitely see. And I do like the fact that it has like the natural, like it's growing right out of the scalp right here. It's not a part. It's just a little divot here. Okay. Now, let me see if there's any information that I did not give you. I guess I should have told you what the color is, but as you can see, the color, of course, is jet black, or actually it's not jet black, it's a 1B, which is fine, absolutely fine. And it says this yaki glueless wavy wig with bangs looks very realistic because it mimics our own yaki texture hair at the density of 180. It is so full, smooth, elastic, and non-shiny. How about that? Okay. It can be used for more than 2 years with proper maintenance. It has a blunt cut. See, right across the front. All right. Now, I'm hoping that I'm not going to have to trim these bangs. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm hoping I'm not going to have to trim them. I don't want them to be hanging flat on my glasses. Okay. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. Now I'm probably going to need to take my flat iron to it a little, but let's just do it the way they say right off the bat, and then we'll go and do some pre-maintenance to it. Okay, so let's do that. All right, I do definitely like this wig. I definitely do like it. Okay, so let's see. I guess that's actually it. High definition natural lace, rectangular high definition lace wigs with human hair. The uniquely rectangular high D lace design enables the wig to fit more naturally to your skin and look like it came from your scalp. We also did the bleaching of the knots for you. So we don't have to worry about doing any of that, okay? So that's where we stand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off so that I can put this on my head. Now I have on a wig cap. However, I use a wig grip anyway, see? On my head. So let's just see. Straight out of the packaging, y'all. Oh, I know I'm gonna have to hear my husband on this one. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I want to use my heat comb or my flat iron. Well, I think let's try the flat iron and see. This almost seems like it's about a 10-inch, not a 12. We're gonna see. What do you think so far? Yeah, these bangs are definitely gonna have to be clipped. They are too long. Definitely too long. All right, let's go ahead and get the flat iron. Okay, the flat iron that I use is a PYT. Life begins with great hair. Okay. adjust. Very much, but okay, we're gonna trim about 1/4 of an inch right here. Now, I will tell you this. I do like the fact that there is not a lot of shedding. This, of course, is from me cutting it. So, what's your thoughts? How about that? This is what the back of it looks like. Okay, I really do love the way this wax stick smells. This one is mango. So, I'll let y'all know later on, or I'll mention it down below, what my husband's comment is about this one. But let me know your thoughts down below. Tell me if this is something that you would purchase. Okay, I do like it. My kids are right. I'm not really a bangs person, but I do like this one. I'll never tell them I said it out loud, but I think this one might be just a little too short for me. just a little. But nonetheless, I do like it. But I will tell you this, it is definitely a winter wig. My head is hot right now, okay? It's not bad. It's really, well, to me, okay? Like I said, I'm going to hear what my husband has to say about this one since he's the one that has to look at it. So I'll let you know, okay? So make sure you leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about the price point. Let's give it some stars. For price point, for the density. Look, this is a very realistic looking wig. Okay, I love the texture. Okay, so like I said, I do like the texture of it. The density is perfect. Let me know your thoughts down below, okay? But I do want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we tried out this 12-inch banged bob wig by Lulu Love. Okay, now like I said, it was 56% off, so the final price that I spent was 40, I believe it was $42 or $46. I'll make sure that I list it below so that you can see for certain. Okay, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.